Hello everybody, and welcome to the Listening Chair YouTube channel. I'm Kemper Holt, and today I'm reviewing the vibration black holes, an isolation device for equipment from Vera-Fi Audio. Mark Shifter is the head honcho at Vera-Fi, and Vera-Fi has continued to bring us really affordable products. Sometimes products we don't know we need till he brings them to marketplace and you try them, then you can't live without them. Vibration black holes are essentially footers that are designed to attenuate vibrations entering the component that's sitting on them. A set of 4 is only $199, shipping paid, and each of these footers will support 30 pounds. So for 4 you get 120 pounds like mini speakers or tube amps. For 3, 90 pounds, you get almost all smaller equipment. The vibration black hole is a 2-stage attenuation unit using constrained viscous layer damping in between an inner and outer shell of stainless steel, a nylon inverted cone that is also isolated from the stainless steel by the constrained viscous layer damping. You can actually see them move when you press on them. It's not a solid because of the viscous damping on the inside. And even on the bottom, there's a silicone rubber ring giving another material. The designer, Viet Nguyen, uses these dissimilar materials to provide a mechanical impedance mismatch, which is what dissipates the energy in vibrations. For those of you who are interested in measurements, go to the Vera-Fi Audio website, click on the VBH ones, and below the description, you will find that Viet has posted some measurements showing you the attenuation and reduction in vibration and noise. You get 4 of these. You get 4 cones that go to the bottom of your equipment. And to help in that, you get a number of these little adhesive dots. There's adhesive on both sides. How I used it was I pulled the adhesive off, put it on the cone, turned my equipment over, peeled the second side off, stuck it to the bottom of the equipment. For my test, I used my Percasti M3 DAC. I didn't think there'd be a great deal of improvement because it's a DAC that is CNC'd out of a solid block of aluminum. It's got nice stock feet and it's solid as a brick. I just didn't think it would make a big difference. So what I did was I streamed Qobuz through the network card inside the Percasti M3 DAC and played some familiar music. The very first thing I noticed was the soundstage expanded in all directions. It was a little bit deeper, it was definitely wider, and it got taller. The width went from just outside the speakers to about a foot outside the speakers. So no, it is not night and day, but it is an incremental improvement in the soundstage. My friends, my audio buddies have been harping on me to pay more attention to vibration and isolation. They keep saying it's the path towards a bigger soundstage and speakers disappearing, and they're right. This definitely helped the soundstage. Next, I kind of noticed that everything was just a little clearer, a little less blurring. For instance, buried low-level details. It just made it easier to hear these buried low-level details. I felt bass lines were more articulated and they were more easy to follow. Ray Brown's upright bass had more propulsion, had more harmonics. The snap of the strings, it was all there. Drum kits really benefited, whether it was Fleetwood Mac or Harry James Big Band. Drums had more dynamics, more excitement, more impact, just made it more fun and more involving to listen to. Vocals were especially helped. Seemed to be a little more in the room, a little more palpable. Overall, the music's dynamic energy just drew me in better. I just fell into the music easier. You know, the foot tapping, head bopping, and yes, occasionally singing along to the song. My takeaway is that the vibration black holes accomplish their goal of improving your system. They are carefully engineered, they look sensational, they're affordable, and they definitely bring your system towards a clearer, less blurred, bigger soundstage situation. They're priced about half to much less than half of the competition, and I think they're definitely worthy of an audition. Plus, there's a 30-day free trial, and by free trial I mean free trial. Vera-Fi will ship you the product for $199 for a set of 4. If you don't find to be improvements, they will pay to pick them up and ship them back to Vera-Fi. But I think that once you pick up 1 or 3 sets, you won't be sending any of them back. Thanks again, and if you like what we're doing here, please hit the subscribe button, hit us on a like button, and please take a look at our Facebook page, The Listening Chair with Howard Neller Group. Thanks for watching.